Hi everyone, so on today's video I will be showing you my new 2023 morning routine. I have been trying to implement these habits in my life, in my daily routines, just to have a better life, happier life, easier life. And so these are just a few things that I've been doing and I wanted to show it and share it with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this video.
Say something that will make my day.
So normally I wake up at 4 a.m. to get my husband's lunch bag ready. Sometimes I stay awake since then, or sometimes I go back to bed and then I'll wake up again at 6 in the morning to get my kids ready for school.
'Cause she left me here alone. Now my bed feels just like cobblestone. Oh, why did she go? Oh, was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be?
By this time around, it's already 8 in the morning. My kids are gone off to school. So I start getting myself ready for the day and just get a little put together to start my day.
It was a crooked little smile that caught my eye.
So around 9:30 a.m. my baby goes back to bed and takes her first nap of the day. That's when I take advantage of doing all my morning rituals and anything that I have to get done before any housework or anything that has to do with my baby or my kids. So I do like to put in a little bit of exercise. I'm not gonna say I do a full-on workout just yet, but just warm up my body to get my day started.
Why did she go? Whoa. Was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be the one? Whoa.
I know I don't show it on this video, but I've been implementing this new habit in my life where I drink green tea right before anything else, just to cleanse my body, just before I put in any sugars or hot coffee or anything like that. So I drink 1 cup of green tea right before the kids go to school, and then I'll do everything else, and then I'll have breakfast or coffee or whatever I'm having in the morning. My daughter does nap for about 2 hours to 2 hours and a half, so I still have enough time to answer any emails, work on my business, send out payments, or do anything else that doesn't have to do with house chores, because right after my baby wakes up, that's when my day starts at home. That's when I start paying attention to her, doing house chores, running errands, and everything else that comes with motherhood. So yeah, so I wanted to show you my little routine, my new 2023 routine, and it's very, very much alike every single day, almost, I would say, except weekends. But I still wanted to show you guys. Hopefully my next video will be my weekend routine. Maybe you can come to work with me. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.